Now, having the correct mortgage documentation from the outset is a vital part in preparing for a successful mortgage application. So here's a list of the documentation that you're going to need. 1. Identification. Now, you must have a passport or full UK driving licence, so it's key to make sure that your passport is valid and still in date, and your driving licence is also in date and has your current up-to-date address on it. If you have, for example, settled or pre-settled status, then you're also going to have to require to provide evidence of this. 2. Address verification. Now, this can be a utility bill or a bank statement dated within the last 3 months. Now, you can't use mobile phone bills for this. Proof of your income. Now, if you're employed, then you're going to need to supply at least 3 months worth of pay slips. Now, please make sure your pay slips have all the correct up-to-date information on them. For example, your address is correct on it. If you're self-employed, most lenders will require the latest 2 years tax overviews with correspondence tax calculations. Now, make sure your most recent year is no older than 18 months old. They may also look for 2 years business accounts as well. You're going to also have to provide bank statements. Now, you'll need to supply at least 3 months worth of salary credited bank statements. Now, make sure all these details on that are up to date and correct. So, for example, it's got your up-to-date address on it. Now, there are things that lenders won't like to see on there, so if you can, keep them away from it. So, for example, bounced or returned direct debits, gambling, overdraft usage, silly references to your friends and family, any payday loan usage, and then untraceable cash deposits, so that's been paid in. Proof of your deposit. Now, you'll need to supply bank statements that show your deposit going from zero to the balance it is just now. Now, every penny needs to be accounted for. So if you receive a gifted deposit, you may also need to supply a gifted deposit letter to the lender also.